I got told when I came in here, I couldn't come in here, you guys were closed, that I had to wait out in that line. And now you guys are coming out there telling me you're closed through the drive-thru as well. Well, then you should have said something. I've been in that damn fucking drive-thru for 10 minutes. No, he didn't tell me. I asked him when I got out of my car. Now I want a phone number. Thank you. No, you're not. Because you wouldn't tell people that walked in here, you would say, you know what, we close at 9 o'clock, even through our drive-thru. You would say, we're taking orders.
Me too. You're fucking weird.
Phone number, please. Thank you. And your name as well.
Oh my god. You need to chill out.
You know what?
You need to chill out.
You can fuck off.
Oh. Everyone here thinks you need to chill out.
I really don't give a shit.
Go to another restaurant.
I don't want to.
Oh, you don't want to?
If he was trying his best to run a business, he would have went out there when I came in the first time. Miss Snobby Ass.
He said they were closing.
Inside! He said the drive-thru was open!
Whoa.
All right. Tell her to shut up and leave me alone.
Chill out.
No, I won't.
Calm down.
Then give me the stuff I want. She's a customer just like me.
No, I'm standing up for the employees that can't bitch you out like I can.
No, you're right. They can't. It's you that's bitching.
I think there's 8 people in here.
I don't care. How many people that are in here? How about that, Miss Karen?
Oh, I'm Karen.
So you're recording me without my permission?
It's legal. It's legal. Yep.
I don't really care. You work for DoorDash?
Yeah, what are you gonna do about it? You don't know my name.
Oh, you're ordering. I can find out your
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, I know that.